Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Rob and I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today, I want to take you through everything I've learned about using Vizard so you can see if it actually fits into your daily workflow. We are going to look at exactly how it works, what makes it unique, and how it stacks up against those other tools you might have already tried. I'll show you the full dashboard, how I take long-form videos and turn them into a giant stack of ready-to-post clips, and some cool features you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, here's the quick spoiler. Vizard is a cloud-based AI editing platform, so there are no heavy downloads or weird buggy installs to deal with. You just feed it a long video, whether it's a YouTube link, a Zoom recording, or a local file, and it instantly finds the moments that actually matter. The AI scans for those viral-worthy bites, those juicy hooks and quotable lines, and then turns them into perfectly formatted clips for your social media. You get vertical, horizontal, or square clips, meaning you have ready-made assets to push across TikTok, Reels, or wherever your audience hangs out. If you don't have an account yet, definitely go sign up because there's usually a free trial so you can test it without committing a single dollar. Let's dive into the site overview, keeping in mind that things move fast with these products, but the core process remains the same. You upload a long video, pick your processing preferences, and let the AI do all the heavy lifting for you while you grab a coffee. The headline features include auto-editing for viral clips, which tries to surface those high-engagement moments, and an auto-schedule tool to keep your content flowing. Plus, there is a content calendar where you can manage and tweak posts across all your platforms in one central hub. On the homepage, you'll also find mentions of multi-language support, caption translation, and even built-in royalty-free B-roll clips. I highly recommend joining their community or Discord because creators there share super clever ways to punch up clips that I never would have thought of on my own. Now let's jump into my personal dashboard to see how this actually looks when you are logged in. When you log in, you land on a page that shows your available credits, which helps you manage your usage if you have limited monthly minutes. Right in the middle is the input area where you paste your YouTube link, Zoom file, or just drag and drop your video file. Before it runs, you pick your caption style. There are presets for quick pop captions, cinematic styles, or the fast single-line meme look. You can also choose the time range to process, which is super useful if you only need the middle segment of a long hour-long interview. If you are tight on credits, telling the AI to only scan the most promising 10 minutes saves a massive amount of time and resources. You can also add topic keywords so the AI looks for mentions of specific themes like membership or how-to and surfaces clips where those topics are discussed. There is a place for Copilot instructions too, where you can give creative prompts like finding strong hooks or prioritizing emotional moments. That extra bit of guidance really helps the model give you clips that are much closer to what you actually want. Hit Get Clips, and the system starts generating. While it works, Vizard usually shows a learning center with short how-to videos. I always like to skim those while the scan runs because they cover things like removing filler words or exporting SRT files. When it's finished, you get a grid of clips, each with a suggested title, a short transcription, and something I find super handy, a virality score. That score is an AI estimate of how likely a clip is to perform well, which is a great prioritization cue when you have dozens of clips to review. Most clips open into an editor where you can trim the start and end points, change the layout, or choose split-screen modes. The in-browser editor is surprisingly capable, allowing you to reposition captions, pick animation styles, and even enable auto B-roll for support. There is also filler word removal so the AI can snip out those ums and uhs to make your audio sound really tight. I also love that templates let you save brand looks, like font styles and logo overlays, so you don't have to redo the setup every single time. There is a feedback system too. Favorite a clip so the AI learns your taste, or thumbs down to remove similar pics from future runs. That kind of feedback loop makes the tool smarter about the content you personally enjoy over time. Now, this is where Vizard really shines compared to some other popular solutions out there on the market. Some platforms are strong on editing but weak on distribution, or others make editing easy but leave scheduling as a massive manual headache. Vizard pulls those pieces together, giving you clip generation and a way to queue posts across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You can even adjust the calendar right in the app, which is a total lifesaver if you want consistent output without living in the studio. For teams and agencies, brand management is also baked in, allowing you to invite editors and manage templates for multiple clients. A few realities to note though: AI is great, but it is not perfect, so expect to spend a little time reviewing and tweaking the top picks. I would say the platform does 80 to 95% of the grunt work, but that last little bit of human polish makes clips really sing. Pricing-wise, Vizard's credit-based usage makes it easier to plan your budget if you are repurposing tons of long-form content regularly. Alright, let me wrap up with how I actually use this in my workflow to get the best results. I upload a 30 to 60-minute interview, set the AI to focus on the highlights, and within minutes I have a stack of clips. I skim, favorite the best ones, tweak the captions where needed, and either cue them in the calendar or download them for a final polish. Doing this consistently has helped me massively increase my short-form output without doubling my editing workload at all. People find my channel through these short clips, then click through to my long-form content, which is a massive win-win for everyone. If you are testing clip tools, remember, Descript is great for transcripts, CapCut is for mobile edits, but use Vizard if your goal is pure scale. It's really designed for creators who need volume and consistency without having to manage a huge editing team. So that is my walkthrough. If you want to follow up deep dive on advanced template setups or workflows, just drop a comment. And if you try Vizard, let me know how it fits your process. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon.